Hey y'all, and a special hey y'all to E-Waste Mike. Hey, if you guys haven't checked out his channel, y'all really should. He just recently picked up 771 computers and 13 servers from one pickup. Holy smokes. This guy has got his work cut out to him. So yeah, check him out. But alright, let's have a look at the scrap goodies that I picked up recently. Oh, this was part of it. Got an air compressor. The motor is all burned out. I will save this. Everything else is going to get scrapped. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a video on that. But yeah, let's have a look in the truck and see. Yeah, let's go this way. You know, look at all the junk around here. Junk. Yeah. Got some nice cords here. And yeah, check out some nice bronze right there. Dead stereo. There's some really nice stuff in here. This tank is aluminum, and then this is all brass. This thing weighs like 300 pounds. That thing right there is, oh my goodness, I can't even budge that. And just some other various, oh yeah, I wanted to show y'all. Check out this. That is an old heat gun. There's not even a switch on there. This I'll probably end up keeping. It's just, I don't know, too cool to scrap. But yeah, just a bunch of other odds and ends. Got some airplane magnetos. This is scuba tank stuff. But yeah, there's a lot more really cool stuff under here. So let me get some of this just boring metal removed, and then I'll come back to you and show you guys some goodies. Hey y'all, just wanted to show you this pump here. It's pretty cool. And I did find a tag. Of course, this is sitting upside down, so the tag is upside down. But it says the Duro Company Water Systems. Y'all know anything about this company? Anyways, I thought it was pretty cool. Man, look at these heavy things. I can't even pick them up. I just had to slide them off the truck straight onto the ground. I'm going to have to get a hand truck to move those, but holy cow, that's some serious weight right there. We're getting there. An old sink there. Just got to remove those two things. And there's those ones with the bronze thingies right there. I think there's 8 of them. I'll cut those off. That big heavy tank. Whoo-wee. And there you see, still got a little bit of junk to remove out of here. And then I will go through these boxes and all this other stuff. And there is some stuff in the front seat. That is a valve. It's all steel. But the shaft you can see is brass or bronze. I will probably cut these bolts off, split that apart, just out of curiosity to see if there's anything worthwhile having in there. Wish that was brass. Oh boy, that would be heavy. Alright, well, we're making progress. Progress! Well, not over there. Don't look over there. Or there. Or there. No, don't look there. Or there. There you go. Yeah, looks clean. Alright, I'll be back in a moment, folks. Let's go over a few of this stuff. There's still more I need to dig out, but auxiliary junction, Navy department. I opened it up and it's completely empty, unfortunately. But these are brass, which are cool. I don't know. I might keep that box. I'm not sure. But yeah, some airplane magnetos. I mean, I gotta believe there's copper inside those. And then we've got these three things. VHF.com, communication.com. That's way before .com. So yeah, those will be kind of cool. And then there's another aluminum tank. This piece and that piece, they're all brass, which is really sweet. And then that is some sort of water pump. That's all brass minus a little bit of steel. And this is like a little radiator. There's copper tubes inside, so I just cut off the ends, pull the copper out, and got the brass. This, somebody said, oh, that's just a gardener's digging knife, but I want to clean it up and see if I can find any markings on it to see if it says like Army or something. Oh yeah, and then we got this. I believe this is a, flip that around. I think that says Federated Castomatic. My guess, that is lead. That is incredibly heavy. But this piece says Pure Zinc. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I might just keep it, clean it up. And then this cool box. I don't really know what's going on here. That handle is brass. There's got to be some goodies inside there. But yeah, let me get through this stuff and this stuff. That box over there, I can't remember. I always have an electric weed whacker. There's a nice little copper motor in there. I've scrapped a few. They've always seemed to be copper. So you can see I got a lot more airplane parts. Here it looks like that's the inside of a magneto, and that right there is a beautiful, a beautiful coil of copper. And just got a bunch of random wires. There's this kind of a nice, cool, you know, outlet box. And just a box of stuff there. But you can see there's a nice piece of copper right there. And actually, oh yeah, so came out of there was this cool old spark plug. And check this out. This is it's like a brass nut. So yeah. See, gold crest. That's pretty cool. I think I'll hold on to that and keep putting that in my collection. And just a horseshoe-shaped piece of bronze. There's a switch. This was a pool motor that somebody took apart. You can see there's some nice coils of copper there. Got like a meter box, so these should be copper. If not, they'll be brass. Oh yeah, and then these solid copper. Those are rare to find. There's two of them. I think my dad actually wants those, so I might have to give them to him. Another switch with some brass. This old thing, I don't think it could be restored. I'll probably open it up. I think these dials are cast aluminum. Looks like there's a piece of brass. That's more of that scuba diving stuff. And this heater, oil-filled heater, I just take this cover off. I clip the wire, put the cover back on, throw it in the shred, be on my merry way. But there we have it. Just got to get that. Whoa, focus. Get that. And then there's some goodies inside the cab. And then, oh yeah, I got two packages. One from Scrapmeister and one from E-Waste Mike. So hang around to the end and I'll show you guys what they were so kind to send me. All right, the last little bit, y'all. So yeah, just a little bit more airplane parts there. Oh yeah, this thing. This is pretty cool. American Bosch Corporation. That is cool. I don't know what it is. But yeah, we got a little bit of copper pipe. It's just a lamp. It's not brass, it's magnetic. Some outdoor speakers. That's just some sort of coated brass. Nothing special about it. Oh yeah, and then these. I don't know what these things are. They are magnetic. But if you can see, if I can get it right. Oh, let's get it right. Scrap it all. It says Goodyear on it. This is like a fibrous material, and then this side's magnetic. So, yeah. Anybody know what those are? I don't know. And some other just random airplane parts. That's all aluminum. Got some more lead. That's a chunky lead. That heavy. Another lead ingot. Oh yeah, check out this cool little hammer that I found. Needs a new handle, but yeah, I think that's kind of cute. Oh, and a buddy, I took these fire extinguishers. I don't normally do those. He said they don't work, so yeah. Although, that one's got this pin. Whoa! Hello. Hello. Well, I just put out imaginary fire, so don't worry. I was not expecting that. And then, I'm not really sure what's going on. What does that say? M&M electroscope. Seattle, Washington. I don't know. Let's just have a look. We got a brass screen here. Let's see. Oh, we got some spools of wire. Okay. So yeah. Just some knick-knack paddywhacks. Give a dog a bone. So that's just some wire. But yeah. Alright, let's... Oh yeah, and then... Toy spider. Yes, I'm going to scrap it just for the tiny little motor. Because that's just what I do. Well, let's go walk in the shop and I'll show you quickly the things that Scrapmeister and E-Waste Mike sent me. I got a new shelf. Getting my e-waste organized here. And I've got some I-series chips, storing them properly like E-Waste Mike said that we should store them that way. Alright, stay focused. Okay. So yeah, Mike sent me this box filled full of goodies. And there was a whole bunch of ribbon wire. And I cut all that off. And there is all the gold goodness. All this weighs 6 ounces. I have no idea what that stuff's worth. And then he sent me 1, 2, 3 bags of these. And I've already removed that much. And there's the brass. There's just a little over 2 pounds of brass right there. And then he sent me a whole bunch of these. And these pins are copper. They're really easy to pull out. And then more of these brass plugs in there. And yeah, so those are all copper pins. They just pull out real easily. And then he sent me a couple of these. I'm sure some of y'all have seen those in his videos. That's a copper plate. Those are copper. And then the rivets are brass. About a half a pound of copper out of these. And then he was so kind to send me 2 of his stickers. So thank you, E-Waste Mike. I really appreciate that. And then the Scrapmeister sent me some stuff. Some coasters, 4 of them. And then 3 different styles of stickers. Scrappity Scrap. I like that. The Scrapmeister on YouTube. So thank you so much, Scrapmeister. Y'all should go check out those channels. And I will leave their channels linked in the description. My shop is, yeah, all my scrap is getting filled up. I love it. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all the support from every single one of you. It really does mean a lot to me. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And God, I just thank you for a wonderful day. Lord, I thank you for nature, for the trees, and all the plants, and the bushes, and the birds, and the bees. Even the birds that wake me up every single morning, I thank you for them all. Your creation is beautiful, Heavenly Father. And I just praise your glorious name. And in that name I pray, amen. All right, y'all. I will see you in the next video.